Let's look at how we can require employees to clock in before they can access the calendar in LawnPro. This setting gives us control over how our employees track their time. First, let's understand the difference between the two options. An employee who is required to clock in needs to clock in before they can access the calendar. Time will be tracked for general work until they clock out. This happens by default. An employee who is not required to clock in can access the calendar without clocking in first. They can decide when to start or stop tracking time, and no time is tracked by default. Now let's look at how to set this up. We'll go to the Time Tracking tab on the left side menu, and then we'll click Settings. Here we'll see a list of our employees. For each employee, we can choose whether or not we want to require them to clock in to access the calendar. We simply toggle the setting on or off for each employee based on our preferences. When an employee is required to clock in, they will see a clock in screen when they click the schedule. They must clock in to proceed to the calendar. And that's how we set up the clock in requirement for employees.